Okay, we are going to graph a system of equations in our graphing calculators. The first thing you're going to do is turn your calculator on using the AC on button right underneath the arrow. From our main menu, we're going to select graph, which is number 5. So you can either tab over to graph or press the number 5. We're just going to press the number 5 from our keypad. We are going to graph the function, making sure that it is in y equals mx plus b form. In this case, our function is 3x plus 1. The first graph is y equals 3x plus 1. Our second line would be y equals 2x minus 4. Y equals 2x minus 4. Those are the two lines we're going to graph, but they first must be in y-intercept form. After we touch the second button, we're going to go over to draw and touch F6. Since draw is right there right above F6, that's what we're going to touch. And now the calculator has graphed our two functions. Unfortunately, the connecting or intersection of the functions is not on our graph, so we will have to change the window. So pressing Shift, Window, we are going to change the dimensions of our window. Right now it is set at -10. We're going to change -10 to -20 just to make a larger window. That's the minimum. The maximum, we're going to leave it at 20. Making sure we press the EXE or execute button. Let's see if this fixed our problem. No, just changing the x coordinates did not fix our problem. So we're going to go back into that window, pressing Shift F3. We're going to tab down to the y minimum and making that -20 and the y maximum as 20 as well. Now we're going to press the EXE or execute button and then draw. The intersection is now in our window. Since it is in our window, we can now find out what coordinates are they touching at. By pressing the Shift G solve, which is F5 button, we're going to go to intersecting, which is F5 again. Now as the calculator computes at what point they connect, we wait. The calculator says that these two lines intersect at -5, -14. That is our solution. Great job.